In today's digital age, mobile apps have opened up a world of opportunities for people to make money right from the palm of their hand. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash on the side or explore new avenues for generating income, there are apps available for almost every skill set and interest. In our video today, we will focus on 5 mobile apps that can help you turn your smartphone into a money-making machine. 1. TaskRabbit, task-based jobs. TaskRabbit connects people who need help with various tasks, from home repairs to assembling furniture, with skilled individuals who can complete those tasks. If you have handyman skills or enjoy helping people with everyday chores, TaskRabbit can be a great platform to make money. You set your own rates and hours, making it a flexible option for earning extra income. 2. Airbnb, short-term rentals. If you have extra space in your home or a vacation property, consider listing it on Airbnb. This platform allows you to rent out a spare room, your entire home, or even unique accommodations like treehouses or houseboats. With Airbnb, you can make money by hosting travelers, and the earnings potential can be substantial, depending on your location and the quality of your accommodations. 3. SwagBucks. SwagBucks mobile app rewards you for various online activities, which include taking surveys, shopping online, watching videos, and playing games. Using this app, you earn what they call SwagBucks. SB in short for completing given tasks. You can easily redeem your earnings using gift cards or even get it in cash via PayPal. Though SwagBucks may not make you rich, it's a good way to make extra income during your free time. 4. Instacart, an app for grocery delivery. Instacart is an app that allows you to earn money by delivering groceries to customers. If you are a fan of grocery shopping, this is an app for you. All you need is a reliable vehicle to ferry the groceries to the intended destination. This is how the app works. Once you sign in, you receive orders through this app. Your work is to fetch the required grocery items, gather them, and then deliver them to the customer's address. The amount of money you earn will be based on the distance covered and the size of the order given. 5. Acorns micro-investing app. Acorns is an interesting app that helps you save and invest the change you get after shopping for items. Acorns rounds up the purchases you make to the nearest figure, and the difference will be invested. A good example is when your shopping totals up to a figure like $6.75. This app will round it up to $7. The remaining 25 cents will be invested for you. Cumulatively, these small savings cum investments will end up growing into substantial amounts and investment. If you are out in search of some side hustle or even a full-time career job, the good news is that there is an app there that can easily fit your needs and interests. However, for cautionary purposes, it's important to exercise due diligence given that there are a number of scammers out there who could be waiting to take advantage of you. All in all, with the right app and some effort from your side, you can easily use your smartphone as a money-making machine from the comfort of your palm. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so now and click the notification button so that next time we produce a similar video, YouTube will automatically notify you. For our subscribers, we thank you so much for your support so far. Meanwhile, give our video a thumbs up and share it with friends. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.